In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add subtitles in Davinci Resolve. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open Davinci Resolve, go in the editing section, and after that you can just import your media and then drag and drop your media into your timeline. Once you have the clip for which you want to create your subtitles, first of all you must have a track for subtitles. For this, you're just going to click on this blank area over here, and then you're going to click on add subtitle track. Then you're just going to click on the subtitle track, and after that, if you see at the upper right hand corner of your screen, you will be able to see here this create caption option. So you're just going to click on that. After that, you will be able to create subtitles for your video. And once you have done that, if you switch to track section from the caption section, you will be able to adjust all of your settings of your captions. Like you're able to choose the font face, size, stroke, and many more options. And once you have done that, you can also adjust your subtitle from here. Now if you want to create your new subtitle, you're going to move your play to the blank section, scroll down over here, and then click on add new. Then you can also adjust this text on your screen by dragging these corners. And if you want to switch between your subtitles, you can just click on previous or next button from here. And if you want to delete any of these subtitles over here, you're going to click on that, and then you're going to hit backslash button on your keyboard.
A lot of people get analysis paralysis and they'll just sit there and